Hello everyone, on today's episode of Get Smart with Swap Smart, we will be teaching you how to hard reset your Huawei Nexus 6P. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, we will need to press the volume down button and power button. First, hold the volume down button and the power button until the hard reset screen appears. On the screen, use the volume down button to scroll to recovery and press the power button to select. Once the Android appears, hold the power button and then press the volume up button to bring up the Android recovery menu. Again, use the volume down button to navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press the power button to select. Navigate to Yes by pressing the volume down button and Confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for the factory reset to complete and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.